This bird has remained unchanged for millions of years, earning the nickname living fossil because its ancient appearance and unique features have stayed almost the same throughout history. The shoebill is one of the most extraordinary birds on Earth, standing nearly 5 feet tall with a massive shoe-shaped bill that helps it capture large fish, lungfish, frogs, snakes, and even small crocodiles, found in the wetlands of Central Africa. This mysterious bird is a patient and powerful hunter, often standing completely still before making a sudden and accurate strike. Its dinosaur-like appearance, sharp eyes, and enormous bill make it one of the most fascinating birds in the world. Despite its impressive abilities, the shoebill faces threats from habitat loss.